Today's question comes from Ashley from Fort Lee, New Jersey. Ashley asks, does renter's insurance cover fire? This is often the first thing that people want to know about their renter's insurance policy. Now, there are several moving parts to that question, so let's dig into them and find out if renter's insurance covers fire. Your renter's insurance policy comes with several different types of coverage. Each might respond to fire in a different way, and it's important to remember that each has a separate limit of coverage. First is your personal property coverage. Fire is a covered peril under the personal property coverage on your renter's insurance policy. That means that if you suffer a personal property loss as a result of fire, you have coverage for that property. Your policy should include replacement cost coverage, which means that you get the amount necessary to replace the personal property, not just the current depreciated value. Whether you negligently start the fire or someone else causes it doesn't really come into play here. Fire is a covered peril, so the answer is yes. Renter's insurance does cover fire damage to your personal property. Next is your liability protection. Does renter's insurance cover fire liability? Absolutely. If you inadvertently cause a fire through your negligence, renter's insurance liability coverage can kick in for damage to others. An example would be a neighbor with smoke inhalation that has medical bills as a result of the fire that you caused. Last is loss of use coverage. Loss of use is a coverage on your renter's insurance policy, and it's designed for situations like a fire where the apartment is uninhabitable. It pays for additional living expenses when you suffer a covered loss. Things like a hotel while your apartment is being repaired after a fire are covered under renter's insurance loss of use. The best way to find out more is to ask Effective Coverage, the insurance provider recommended by your neighbors. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.